Alrighty. I'm back. Relax in my room there for a bit. I gotta say the AC in there is kind of weak. It needs a fan plus AC. The room is too big for one little split unit. They call it a split unit to do much good. Okay, going this way. I got a weed store. Pharmacy. I always thought a weed store with the name pharmacy with a F was like the most genius thing in the world. 15. You know. Alrighty. Got a health food store. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, get some probiotics or something. Alright. The beach is just 5 minutes walk that way. And we'll be good to go. Well, we are going, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Good to go. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, we are really close to the beach. Right. Jesus. I'll tell you what though, this road is not good for walking. Maybe I can walk over there. The 7-Eleven right there. Another one just up the road about the same distance. Got a fruit stand right here. Hello. How are you? Found a sidewalk of sorts. That's good. Okay. Yeah, I feel like it's a good place to get eaten by a tiger, you know? If there was one in here, I definitely wouldn't know. That's for damn sure. Watch out for cobras. Probably more likely to a tiger. I doubt there's any left. Harn Beach. I think that this beach might not be much of a beach. The real beach is going to be far away. This is much more of a lagoon slash drainage ditch. This is definitely more of a drainage ditch than a beach. On the road here. Okay. All right, I'll come back when I get closer to the actual beach. Yeah. Wow. Look at those over there. Can you see those buildings? I like a mix of modern and Thai construction going on here. Very cool. Hope you can see that. To me, it looks beautiful. Still got a long way to go here. Oh wow. Look at these trees. How pretty. We got an open gym here. Come here and do your workouts on this shiny park equipment style gym. What do you call them? Gym equipment? Cool. Maybe I'll come check that out. Be good to, you know, get in a little pump. Haven't worked out in like, when was I in Goa? 3.5 months ago. It's been a while since I got in a workout. I'm overdue. I get my one workout, my quarterly workout. One every 3 months will do. I'm gonna be jacked in about 800 years. Be worth the wait, guys. All right, we made it. That was a bit of a walk, but we got it. Look at that. You like that? It's a powerful pale egg right there. These babies, the pioneers used to ride them for miles. All right. It's almost sundown. Look at those beautiful waves. Climb down this here cliff. Wow, look at that resort. That's awesome. This is like the very south of Phuket Island. To sandal or not to sandal? That is the question. I'm bringing sexy back, or however that's. Look at this beautiful water. Wow. Stunning. It's not too hot, not too cold. No swimming. Okay. It's really shallow. Solid playground for the vertically challenged. Those who can't swim. This is a long video. I'm going to say goodbye for now. Maybe I'll film more later, but it will be a different video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. And I'll see you in the next one. Maybe it'll be here. Maybe it'll be somewhere else. Who knows? Bye-bye.